So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a table in Canva here in the Canva mobile app. So once you have Canva open up on your device, next thing you have to do is go to this plus arrow, go to this purple circle with the plus in the bottom left, press on that right there. Then once you're on this screen, I want you to go ahead all the way to the Elements tab on the far left at the bottom, right between Design and Camera Roll. I want you to press on Elements and press on Elements one more time so you can get to this main screen right here. And once you're on this main screen, I want you to scroll all the way down to where it says Tables right here. And then I want you to press on See All. A whole bunch of different options here you can select from if you want to go ahead and just go to the bottom and press on this purple table for an example. We'll press on this table right here, and there you go. You have now added a table here in Canva. If you want to mess around with the settings and all that kind of stuff, this bottom bar right here, you can change the color, the border, table spacing, font, text styles, font size, etc. You can play around with it, customize it however which way you want. But basically that is how you guys can add a table in Canva here in the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.